Hello everyone, I'm Layman with Milgard Windows and Doors. Today we're in our Temecula showroom to demonstrate how to reset the pinion gear in one of our sliding patio doors. The first thing you want to do is to remove the interior side handle on our sliding door using a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, you want to remove the pinion gear from the door. Then replace the pinion gear. And reinstall your handle, making sure the pinion gear lines up properly. Make sure the handle is in the open position, extended toward you when installing. And our demonstration is complete.